Me time for mothers. Motherhood is undoubtedly a rewarding experience, but it can also be demanding, leaving mothers with little time for themselves. In this comprehensive guide, we explore the importance of me time for mothers and provide a range of strategies to help them prioritize self-care and personal fulfillment. From simple activities to deeper self-exploration, every mother deserves the opportunity to rejuvenate and nurture her own well-being. Discover the delicate balance between motherhood and self-love and embracing self-love, the vital balance for mothers. Explore the impact of societal expectations on mothers' mental health and learn why allocating me time is crucial for maintaining a sense of identity and well-being. Join the conversation on navigating the beautiful journey of motherhood while nurturing a deep love and respect for oneself. Clarification of me time. Me time from everyday tasks like grocery shopping or personal hygiene, which are necessary but not truly rejuvenating. Definition of me time. Me time is defined as a period for activities that genuinely interest and bring happiness to the individual, free from interruptions by children or partners. It's described as a moment of zen, sacred and uninterrupted. The tendency for mothers to lose themselves after childbirth, focusing solely on the needs of their babies. This self-neglect can lead to weight gain, social isolation, and dissatisfaction with appearance. The importance of reclaiming one's identity and taking care of oneself. They suggest that participating in activities that bring joy and relaxation, such as spending time with friends, catching up on sleep, or pursuing personal interests, is crucial for mental and emotional well-being. Mothers are reminded that they are valuable individuals deserving of care and attention, not just caregivers for their children. In the whirlwind of motherhood, it's crucial for mothers to carve out time for themselves. Me time isn't selfish, it's a necessary component of self-care and well-being. By prioritizing self-love and personal fulfillment, mothers can not only recharge their own batteries but also become happier, healthier caregivers for their families.